Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is class 12th, subject economics. Topic is demand theory. Subtopic is law of demand. Today's question is it is very important question. Why more of a good is purchased when its price falls? Why more of a good is purchased when its price fall? Or why does demand curve slopes downwards? Why does demand curve slope downwards? Answer is downward slope of a demand curve. Downward slope of demand curve indicates that more is purchased in response to fall in price. That means when price falls, more of a commodity is purchased. Thus, there is increase in relationship between own price of a commodity and its quantity demanded. This may this may be explained in the following points, which are as under. Number one, law of diminishing marginal utility. According to this law, as consumption of a commodity increases, marginal utility of each successive unit goes on diminishing. According to this law, as consumption of a commodity increases, marginal utility of each successive unit goes on diminishing. For every additional unit to be purchased, consumer is willing to pay less and less price. Price of a commodity is equated with the marginal utility of a commodity. Number two, income effect. Income effect refers to change in a quantity demanded. Income effect refers to change in quantity demanded when real income of the buyer or consumer changes owing to change in price of a commodity. With a fall in price, real income increases. When real income of the buyer changes owing to change in price of a commodity, with fall in price, real income increases. Accordingly, demand for commodity expands or increases. Number third, substitution effect. Substitution effect refers to substitution of one commodity for the other. Substitution effect refers to substitution of one commodity for the other when it becomes relatively cheaper. Thus, when price of a commodity X falls, it becomes cheaper than commodity Y. Accordingly, X is substituted for Y. In case of tea and coffee, if the price of coffee increases, it will be substituted by tea. So demand for tea increases. Number 4, size of consumer group. Size of consumer group. When price of a commodity falls, it attracts new buyers. When price of a commodity falls, it attracts new buyers who now can afford to buy it. Who now can afford to buy it. Accordingly, demand expands due to fall in price of a commodity. Number fifth and last is different uses. Different uses of a commodity. A good may have several uses. A good or a commodity may have several uses. For example, milk is used for making curd, cheese, and butter. Milk is used for making curd, cheese, and butter. If price of milk falls, it will be put to different uses. It will be put to different uses. Accordingly, demand for milk expands. So these were five factors. Five factors. Number one, number two, number three, number four, and five. These five factors, which indicate that all these factors indicate that when price of a commodity falls, its demand increases. When price of a commodity falls, its price increases. When price of a commodity falls, sorry, when price of a commodity falls, its demand increases. That is why demand curve slopes downward. I will repeat it again. So these were five factors which indicate that when price of a commodity falls, its demand increases. That is why demand curve slopes downward. Thank you very much.